Hey foodies, today I'm teaching you how to make this beautiful and moist banana bread. Welcome to another mouth-watering episode inside Foodie's Mansion. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 large bananas. I had very tiny bananas, hence I had to use double the quantity of bananas that I needed. You mash this with a fork or with a whisk. It doesn't have to be a puree, just make sure it's properly mashed. You add 1 large egg to your mashed banana. You're going to add half a cup of sugar. You can make it 3/4 cups of sugar if you're a sweet tooth. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a cup of melted butter. Now you combine this properly. You don't want to overmix, so you just do this for say 30 seconds or less, and then you set it aside and mix your dry ingredients. For our dry ingredients, you're going to need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll sieve that to incorporate air into it and get rid of any dirt. After sieving your baking flour, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now we'll combine this also together. Make sure that all the ingredients are well combined, and then we're going to add it to our wet ingredients that were combined earlier. You want to put everything together and mix them properly. Remember not to overmix, especially when it has to do with baking flour. Overmixing baking flour would make it dense and also make your baking hard. At this point, you can add nuts if you want, but I will not be adding to mine. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed, and also put on your notification bell so that you get a notification every time we post a new content. You want to put some butter on your pan and then dust it with some all-purpose baking flour. This will help your banana bread come out easily after baking. If you didn't add your nuts while you were combining your wet and dry ingredients, now is a good time to just put it at the top. Preheat your oven for 15 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade and then throw in your banana bread.
A few moments later.
Here's a banana bread looking all yummy and nice. At this point, my house smelled so divine. I enjoyed every bit of this banana bread. I'd like to hear about yours. I want to know how yours went. If you loved it, please give us a thumbs up and we'll see you next time. Thank you, foodie, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. Bye, foodie.